Good afternoon, everybody. During the last lecture, we started with the type 1 numerical, that is the steady state heat transfer through a composite rectangular wall. Uh, we'll have the brief review of the last lecture and then we'll proceed further for the numericals of the same topic. So, during the last lecture, we discussed the concept of thermal resistance, that is the conduction resistance as well as the convection resistance. So, the concept of this thermal resistance arises from the analogy between the flow of heat and the flow of current. So we have seen that the flow of heat through any of the material is analogous to the flow of current through an electric circuit, and from that we used to devise the similarity between the flow of heat as well as the flow of current, and from that we came across the concept of thermal contact resistance. So anyway, I'll share the screen now. So see, as far as conduction is concerned, the flow of heat through any solid wall, say this was the wall, whose temperature on one side we have taken, on the other side T1, एक side में T1 दूसरे side में T2. Okay, its material has got the thermal conductivity as K and the thickness was L. So the expression for heat flow Q we derived as T1 minus T2 divided by L upon Ka. This term L by Ka is the conduction resistance. हमने summary में लिखा है यहाँ पर. Okay, and the unit of this conduction resistance is Kelvin per watt, right? So this was the unit we opted. Now, in spite of that, in case of convection, that is, we took a flow of certain liquid, that is a fluid, over a horizontal flat surface. You can observe here. This is how one surface over which a fluid was flowing. The temperature of the surface was Ts and this was Tf. So Ts is equal to T1 and Tf is equal to T2. So Q is equal to, in this case we obtained as T1 minus T2, मतलब Ts minus Tf था वो, okay, by 1 upon Ha. And now in this case, this term was representing the convection resistance whose unit was Kelvin per watt, right? And in spite of that, we discussed the flow of heat through a composite wall. So for the flow of heat through a composite wall, we derived one equation. See, we took a composite wall having two solid layers but the hot gas on either side. Okay, so this was inside and this was outside. Here the temperature was Ti, heat transfer coefficient was Hi, Here the temperature was TO and heat transfer coefficient was HO. This was a solid layer whose thermal conductivity was K1. Here the thermal conductivity was K2, and then here this was the thickness L1 and L2. तो बेटा ये केस के अंदर जो अपने को सबसे पहले यहाँ जो अपन ने हीट ट्रांसफर का केस था वो स्टेडी स्टेट हीट ट्रांसफर का केस है. स्टेडी स्टेट हीट ट्रांसफर वो नोट के अंदर मैंने लिखा के दिया है आप लोगों को. सो फॉर स्टेडी स्टेट हीट ट्रांसफर Q, that is the amount of heat flowing through each and individual layer of a composite wall. How many layers are there? In fact, there are 4 layers here. This is one layer, this is second layer, this is third layer, and this is fourth layer. These 2 layers, first and last one, is the layer of gas, and the middle one are of solid material. Okay, so for steady state heat transfer, the amount of heat flowing through each layer is same, that is Q is equal to Qi, that is equal to Q1, that is equal to Q2, that is equal to Qo. So this is the condition for steady state heat transfer, right? And using this condition of steady state heat transfer, for this case we got the equation as Ti minus To divided by R equivalent. R equivalent, for calculating the R equivalent, now you can observe here all these layers were encountered by Q one after the other, so all these resistances are in series. So equivalent resistance is the addition of all the individual resistances, that is R1 plus the Ri plus R1 plus R2 plus Ro, like this. Just a minute. Hello. हो चालू आहे ना बेटा लेक्चर. तू कुठल्या लिंकवर जॉईन करतोयस आपल्या चालू तर आहे रे बाळा लेक्चर. चालू तर आहे लेक्चर तर चालू आहे. आता चालू केले ना मी लेक्चर. तू लिंक बरोबर केलीस ना क्लिक कुठली. अच्छा एच हो बरोबर आहे. लिंक तर बरोबर आहे तुझी. HUKCFWGQRH बरोबर आहे. नेट बरोबर आहे तुझं. अच्छा ओके ओके ओके. हां नेट जरा चेक कर तुझं. काहीतरी नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तुझा. So this was the case when the resistances are connected in series. However, if the resistances are in parallel, this is for series. Okay, and if the resistances are in parallel, then the equivalent resistance will be calculated as the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the addition of reciprocal of all the individual resistances. So like this we are going to calculate the equivalent resistance in that case, like this and so on. This is for parallel, right? Okay, so so this was the discussion of our last lecture. हाँ बेटा झाले का तुझं जॉईन. ओके ओके ओके. लिंक तू बघ आजच्याच मेसेज मधली आहे ना, एच टीचीच लिंक करतोय ना तू. ओके 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 ठीक आहे ठीक, ट्राय कर हा. ओके ओके ठीक ठीक. So fine. Now start with the numericals. But before we go ahead with the numerical, we'll discuss one heat flow problem wherein we'll arrange the composite wall in different way. Let's consider that here I am going to arrange one composite wall so that when later on we will start drawing down the thermal circuits, we will not have any confusion in the mind. थोड़ा सा अभी हम ड्रॉ करते हैं यहाँ पर. ओके, सो say this is first layer, here this is the second layer, okay. So these are all the solid layers, and let's say this is how the heat is flowing. This is the first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And ultimately this is the last one, eighth one. So like this the different layers I have arranged. अभी जरा इसके लिए एक थर्मल सर्किट बनाते हैं हम लोग. We'll draw the thermal circuit for this. So I'll start drawing down the thermal circuit here. हाँ बोल रहे हो बेटा, एक मिनिट चेक करतो. तुझं तर काही आलंच नाही रे इथे मला. काहीच नाही. ओके ओके ओके, मी एक काम करतो, परत तुला आता इंडिव्हिज्युअल लिंक पाठवतो तुला, ती ती ट्राय करू का. तुझ्या या नंबरला पाठवतो ना मी लिंक. अच्छा अच्छा, आता याच्यामध्ये ना तुझं हे पहिले तू कुठल्या याच्यावरून जॉईन केलं होतंस पहिल्या लेक्चर. हां, मग आता जीमेल मधूनच करतोयस ना तुझ्या. मग व्हायला तर हवं यार. तर पाठवतो ना तुला मी. SMS करू की काय, व्हॉट्सअप करू. मग SMS करतो मी तुला लगेच. 2 मिनिट थांब. Wait for a minute. Yes, he is having some problem to log in. Uh, हाँ बोल बेटा. थांब ना, एक मिनिट. एक मिनिट, एक मिनिट. आता एक मिनिट. हां हां, तुझं नेट वगैरे बरोबर आहे रे बेटा. मग हे सगळ्यांनी तर इथे यांचं तर जॉईन झाले, तुझा काय प्रॉब्लेम झाला याच्यात? हां. अच्छा, बर. आता यांच्यापैकी कोणाला जरा तुझे कोणी आता आपले फ्रेंड्स असतील ना याच्यामध्ये, त्यांना जरा कॉन्टॅक्ट करून बघ बरं. हां. आता 10-11 जण असावेत काहीतरी. नाही. अच्छा, एक मिनिट. तू काही टाईप करतोयस का? अच्छा, थांब 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 थांब. अजून कोणाला तरी प्रॉब्लेम होत आहे बहुतेक. थांब हं. अजून कोणाला तरी प्रॉब्लेम होतो आहे. हां हां हां. थांब. थांब एक मिनिट, बघतो जरा. एक मिनिट बेटा, मी तुला कॉल करतो परत. थांब.